Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I come up with a healthy 100% oats and pineapple muffins. Very easy to make at home. A perfect snack idea for school going children. And this can be enjoyed as a evening snacks with a cup of tea. So let's get started. If you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. Please share this with your friends and family. First, into a sieve, I'm adding 1 cup of oats flour. This is 250 ml cup. And how to make oats flour at home, detailedly I posted a video. You can check it out. Link I will give in the description box. Into this, I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'm going to sift this 3 times. At this time, you can preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, I'm going to powder the sugar. This is the sugar I'm using, organic brown sugar from Tattva brand. I'm using half cup. Into a mixie jar, I'm adding half cup of organic brown sugar and I'm going to finely powder it. Into another bowl, I'm adding 3 eggs and eggs should be in room temperature. This I'm going to beat it for 1 minute or until the eggs are slightly frothy. Adding half teaspoon of pineapple essence. We are going to make pineapple muffins, so we should add pineapple essence. Pineapple essence has a strong flavor, so half teaspoon will be sufficient. Adding powdered sugar little by little and continue beating. We have to beat it until we get a silky smooth consistency. It may take 5 minutes. Adding 3 teaspoons of ghee. Instead of ghee, you can add melted butter or any flavorless oil, but ghee is a healthier option. And adding 1/4 cup of pineapple crush. This is a homemade pineapple crush. I already uploaded a video how to make pineapple crush at home. Link I will give in the description box. You can check it out. Instead of pineapple crush, you can use fresh pineapple puree also. If you are using fresh pineapple puree, you can increase the amount of sugar up to 3/4 cups. Now just beat it once until everything is well combined. Scrape down the sides with a spatula. Now we are going to add the sifted flour. Add it fully and gently fold it into the batter in one direction. Do not overmix it. So I've lined the muffin trays with the muffin liners or cupcake liners. With this recipe we get around 18 muffins. I'm using this ladle to pour the batter so that I get the equally sized muffins. Do not overpour the batter. The batter should be up to 3/4 of the cup. It is going to rise up once it is baked. Just tap it once and bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Always check after 12 minutes because every oven's temperature would be different. So it is baked well. The toothpick inserted in the center also came out clean. Nothing is sticking on this. I have baked one more batches in other tray. So that's it. This is my healthy evening snack recipe. The recipe with 100% oats flour and fresh pineapple crush. Please try this at home and see how it is. Please comment in the comment section if you have any doubts and queries. So see you again with a new and healthy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.